Here's a lot of hacks you can use to make your everyday life at home easier. Unpleasant smells? Place some scented dryer sheets inside your shoes to solve this problem. It doesn't take much to make even the most common of objects look more beautiful. Wow! Perfect for guests. Spoon keeps falling into the pot? Use a peg to hold it in place. Easy. Nail polish dried out? There's an easy way to save it. A little hot water and it will be as good as new again. Try this method to keep your hairdryer cord from getting tangled. Perfect! Can't remember if you took your medicine? Do this. You're not doing this right. Here's how to put on a pillowcase correctly. Much easier. Lotion finished? Get out any leftover lotion by pushing the cap into the tube. A great anti-waste hack. To save space in your closets, hang up long coats like this. Much neater. Reuse a bottle cap to core bell peppers. Ingenious! Here's a creative idea for decorating a roll of toilet paper. It looks just like a rose! Are you looking for a DIY way to unclog your drain? Make small cuts along the length of a zip tie and insert it into the drain. You will be able to pick up deep down dirt and hair. Don't know how much lotion is left? Very clever! Here is a very simple way to sharpen your scissors. Here's a unique decoration. Difficult to slice? Try this. Much easier. Here's a quick hack to make filled cookies. Bon appetit! Makeup stains? Put some micellar water onto the collar and rub. The makeup will flush away under running water. Gleaming white again. Don't waste wet wipes. Make small incisions around the opening, like this. Problem solved! Don't know how to close the bag? Do this! Not too tight? Roll up the free end and Done! Clean efficiently using these hacks. Are you worried your water bottle will leak? Problem solved! You must try this lid opening hack. Ingenious! Here's a hack to make an all-natural insect repellent. The scent of the spices and the coffee will keep insects away. Helps to keep insects away from food and more. It is also useful in repelling moths. Try these 2 techniques to fold up tea towels. They'll take up less space and stay tidy. Reuse an old plastic container to make a DIY air freshener. Perfect for the laundry. Don't do this. This is the right way to change the garbage bag. Sink blocked? Try unblocking it with hair removal cream. It works! Blunt blades? All you need is a bit of aluminum foil. Easy! Using this hack, you will be able to clean even the most hard-to-reach spots when washing the dishes. And you won't get your hands dirty either. Doormat keeps slipping? Check it out now! Let's check out a creative idea to decorate a roll of toilet paper. Wow, cute! Here's an easy way to unclog your sink. Check out all that trapped hair! Now that's much better. Dirty socks can be especially difficult to clean, but not if you do this before putting them into the washing machine. Perfectly clean. Using this hack, you can clean and sanitize your microfiber cloths in just a few minutes.